back to my channel. It's Aisha, and guess what's happening right now? Two of us are trying to decide what to eat because we have been looking forward to going out and eating post Ramadan. क्योंकि इतना हम पता ही है रमदान में हम बहुत डिसेंट लोगों की तरह रहे, हमने कुछ बाहर से इतनी आउटिंग्स वगैरह सब कुछ बंद किया हुआ था. अभी का जो डायलेमा चल रहा है वो ये है कि हमजा वांट्स द सेम ओल्ड थिंग और थिंग्स एंड मी I want something new, but Hamza is hungry right now, so he's not willing to compromise and try something new. क्या करे, बात मान ले कि ना मान ले, समझ नहीं आ रही. यार थोड़ी जल्दी में अब निकली हूँ तो लिपस्टिक भी उतरी हुई है. Let me put some gloss on. और गाइस पता नहीं वेदर तो बिल्कुल आउट हुआ पड़ा है, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. आई कैन नॉट फॉर द लाइफ ऑफ मी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन विद द वेदर. कभी सर्दी लगती है, कभी गर्मी लगती है. आई थिंक आजकल का सबसे मुश्किल टास्क ये है कि सुबह उठ कर डिसाइड करना कि कौन से कपड़े पहनने चाहिए, बिकॉज रियली विद इन अ मैटर ऑफ मिनट्स इट कुड बी वेरी कोल्ड और वेरी हॉट. एंड अभी काफ़ी हॉट लग रहा है विच इज़ सो वियर्ड बिकॉज सुबह अभी अंदर घर के अंदर ठंड लग रही थी. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन गाइस, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. क्या कर रहे हैं
हम? सबसे पहले तो जा रहे हैं खाना
खाने जा रहे हैं, बट सेम ओल्ड जगह पे. वैसे मुझे नई जगह पे जाना था,
लेकिन खाना खाने के बाद फिर हम शॉपिंग करने जाएंगे.
गाइस मैं कब से शॉपिंग करना चाह रही हूँ बिकॉज समर के लिए कुछ चीज़ें चाहिए. ऑलरेडी आई कैन फील वेदर चेंज हो रहा है बिकॉज it is cold at times, but when it's hot it's really hot, so you really want some summer fits उस टाइम पे. so I hope कि आज वो सारी चीज़ें हो जाए जो मैं तब से चाह रही हूँ. और निकलना इतना मुश्किल हो जाता है because we're so busy these days, so hopefully today is the day that all the targets are met. Guys, I don't know, let's see, maybe आज हमें टाइम मिल जाए and we can also catch a movie. Guys, it's been for me it feels like it's been so long that I've done all these things because itni lambi break aa gayi thi. So I am so excited. I'm honestly so excited, and I'm like trying to get into the summer vibe because really it feels hot at the moment, really hot at the moment. So guys, Hamza won and we came to his favorite spot, burger spot, Boardwalk. Let's go. Yeah. Say. Although I came for Hamza, but I tried their chicken tenders today and they were so good. Better than Popeyes, I have to say. So अगर कोई यहाँ रहता है वो Popeyes खा रहा है और उसने अभी तक यहाँ के नहीं खाए, they should try chicken tenders at Boardwalk because I honestly feel like they were better than even Popeyes. Guys, bach gaya food, but it was so good. You guys should try their chicken tenders out if you live here in Canada, because honestly Pakistan mein itni options hoti hain कि you take these things for granted, but when you are struggling to find halal food in places like these, इस तरह की चीज़ें honestly like you cherish more. Finally, since weather change हो रहा है तो already I am seeing carnivals और fairs जो होने वाले हैं city में. I am seeing them on social media, so I was convincing Hamza ke finally like this is the time to go, and Hamza is saying maybe it's still too cold, but I don't think so. I feel like there is a reason अभी हो रहा है because weather finally वाकई change कर रहा है, because winter में कुछ इतना हो नहीं सकता यहाँ पे, तो होता भी नहीं है. तो समर में ये सारे काम जो सारी एक्साइटिंग चीज़ें हैं समर में यहाँ पे होती हैं, and summer is really exciting here. So already like I am excited to get into the whole summer vibe. और अभी हम जा रहे हैं to the mall. Are we back? Okay guys, so since we have had food, we're gonna get some green tea. I would have gotten coffee, but right now after food I don't feel like getting coffee, so I'll just get green tea as well. Green tea के बाद शाम में I think शाम में मैं कॉफ़ी ले लूँगी. अभी there is a lot of sun as you can tell, and I feel like green tea is the right idea for now. After green tea we are going to the mall, straight to the mall because we don't have too much time. We are gonna watch a movie at night, so we have to everything is packed now. We really have to get things done like I think we have 2-3 hour stops to get everything done. Hopefully. I mean, I want to shop, that's all. And it's not that easy. You don't always find the thing right away. So that's why I'm like, you know, try get to meet OJ and blah blah blah. Okay, so let me know if any of you are obsessed with green tea as well, like my husband. I do like green tea, but like after a meal and not after every meal. Like whenever you feel like you've had some food. That's my thing. But my husband likes green tea after every meal.
I used to. Aisha has stopped it to 1 now.
Yeah, I have, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Sad are you. But yeah, I feel like he eats like he does not overeat, so he does not have to take. Who takes green tea after breakfast, man? Like, who takes green tea after breakfast? Like, that's what I stopped. Okay, after lunch or dinner it makes sense, but after breakfast, who does that? So that's what I've changed for him. So intense. Thankfully, I do keep SPF in my car. So मैं भी लगा दी थी. हमजा बस कंप्लेन नहीं किया, खुद ही लगा रही है, मुझे नहीं लगा रही. तो मैंने कहा गाड़ी चलाएं, गाड़ी चलाएं, फिर कर लेंगे. Guys, I would have liked for it to be coffee, but I feel like अभी के लिए मैं green tea enjoy करती हूँ. उसके बाद coffee पीऊँगी later on when the sun isn't hitting me too hard, because I do want like my regular coffee order, not the cold one. वहाँ पहुँच गए and off we go. हवा चल रही है इतनी तेज कि Hamza is like, I should get my jacket, so I'm just getting my jacket because this wind is insane. बस मॉल में टेक करने लगे हैं और जाके अंदर गर्मी लगनी है, so obviously I'll take the jacket off, but for now I'm wearing it. एक चीज़ पसंद की है and my husband is almost done with me. Not really. Weakness है. Every time I come, I check these out to see कि मेरा perfect mug है कहीं पे कि नहीं. मॉल से निकले अभी. Unfortunately पता नहीं था, मज़ा नहीं आया शॉपिंग करने का. I just got like literally a few things, and all the things I wanted to get I couldn't find. So, but it's okay. The good part is I can keep on shopping until I find the things I want. So that's fun. टाइम अंदर मॉल में मैंने हमजा को जैकेट पकड़ाई हुई थी. बेचारा हमजा is so tired of holding my jacket. You're not tired of holding my jacket? So it's good. It means he can keep on carrying my jacket whenever it's needed. Thanks.
I think it's just cold, right? So better to just keep your jacket with you.
Yeah, honestly सिर्फ थोड़ी सी वॉक है मॉल से गाड़ी तक, but उतनी सी वॉक में भी you see the wind, it can make you sick. So better safe than sorry, you know. Next plan हम लोग, oh my god, I feel so weird in the jacket गाड़ी में. मुझे तो ऐसा लगा 2 दिन में आदत खत्म हो गई है गाड़ी में जैकेट पहनने की. अब हम डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि डू वी गो कंटिन्यू द शॉपिंग बिफोर द मूवी, बिकॉज अभी थोड़ा टाइम बचा है. वी हैव लाइक 1 hour 30 minutes बिफोर द मूवी, सो वी आर थिंकिंग लाइक कि हम ये शॉपिंग कंटिन्यू करें या एक और काम है हमें, हम वो करें. एंड गाइस, फाइनली टाइम फॉर माई कॉफ़ी. सो अब मैं फर्स्ट स्टॉप जो भी आएगा वहाँ से आई गेट माई कॉफ़ी. यू सी अभी like honestly 8 बजने, I mean it's 7:30 and अभी इतना ज़्यादा sun है, so it's gonna be like this till 8:30 at least. So आहिस्ता आहिस्ता sunset is gonna be I think around 10:30 soon. I think in June it's gonna be around 10:30. So that's gonna be a lot. Like this makes the day to be way longer, you know, कि अगर आप मतलब डे ख़त्म नहीं होता.
Potentially 11 p.m.
Yeah, potentially 11 p.m. तक चला जाएगा sunset, which means कि you know हर चीज़ इतना लेट हो जाती है कि Isha I guess is around 11-12 when the sunset is so late. So that is a task, you know, to manage a routine like that. It's a task. Finally, I have my coffee in my hand. I hope it stays in my hand. जिस तरह से टर्न लिया गया है, कुछ भी हो सकता था. Okay guys, so now we are heading to South Common बिकॉज हमारी मूवी वहीं पे है, सो हम देख रहे हैं कि साथ में और क्या ऑप्शन है करने के लिए, बिकॉज अपेरेंटली ये लोग हर चीज़ जल्दी बंद करना शुरू हो गए हैं, मोर देन इवन यूजुअल. Michael's be a guys, I do have something exciting coming up. Stay tuned for that. Yeah guys, सब कुछ जल्दी बंद होना शुरू हो गया. I'm like this literally annoys me. मतलब isn't it strange कि sunset जो है, मतलब डे खत्म नहीं हो रहा है 10 o'clock तक या 11 o'clock तक, but सब कुछ already 6, 7, 8 तक बंद हो जाए. Isn't that strange? मतलब मेरे लिए strange है कि अभी दिन चढ़ा हुआ है and सब कुछ बंद हो गया है. I saw Chuck E. Cheese. I really thought it was a burger shop. It was a fast food restaurant, but it turns out it's an arcade gaming thingy. Chuck E. Cheese. Good to know though. In the parking lot, I think it's a snowbird. I'm not sure. टाइम बचा है, सो मार्शल्स जा रही हूँ बिकॉज सिर्फ वही खुला हुआ है एंड होपफुली आई फाइंड समथिंग. इवन इफ आई डोंट फाइंड एनीथिंग, इट्स गुड टू किल द टाइम बिकॉज लिटरली a few minutes left before we have to go for the movie. And I'm feeling it. Guys, finally I found at least one nice thing, so that's good. और हमजा साहब मुझे स्केयर कर रहे थे कि we are late, but we're not late. We are literally like, we had 20 minutes before the movie and we are literally near the cinema, so I don't think it's a problem.
Men can also be dramatic, guys. Just saying.
Bird just came. It was so scary. Surprisingly, we enjoyed the movie. We liked it. It's so weird because I wasn't expecting anything, but it was nice.